Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. If you are holding and hosting an account and you want to forward your email to another email account, then you are at the right place. In this video, I will show you how to easily set up email forwarding in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you logged in, head over to email section in the control panel. Then next choose the domain name, which email you want to forward to another email. Just click on manage button. Now you will see the list of email here associated with this domain. Now choose the email you want to forward and just click on three dots on the right side of this panel, then click on create forwarder. Just click on it and there will be an option to enter the email address where you want to forward your email. Just enter the email here. And click on create button. Now you will get a message of confirmation. The email sent to this email. And you can see the email forwarder is active now. Now you can try a test mail. It will definitely work for you. Thank you friends. Please support my channel. Please like, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.